Good morning, class. I wanted to take a minute and give some instructions to week 6 lesson. First of all, I need to apologize. I'm not sure why my week 5 announcement didn't come out until the beginning of this week, so I apologize for that. Going forward, I'll be a little more proactive on that. But week 6, we're going to be studying Articles of Faith, number 5 and 6. I'm looking forward to your thoughts and insights. You have shared some great experiences and testimonies up to this point, and I really appreciate your openness and willing to share with your groups there. So again, from the content page, you'll come in, watch the introductory video here, and then come down to the lesson overview. And then it's fairly straightforward. The Articles of Faith, 5 and 6 right there. Lesson truths, priesthood authority, priesthood keys. Again, the learning goal focus, becoming a gospel scholar. And then we see the key preparation materials, the required readings, and then the supplemental readings. Many of you are taking the opportunity to read those supplemental readings, and they're wonderful. Please keep that up. A few things that I want to point out. We do have the due dates put in here. Tuesday, October 18th, for your initial thoughts on the Connections and Patterns Themes discussion board. There are 3 due dates here, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, but if you go into the instructions for this, you'll notice right up top here, at least 4 posts, and then if you scroll down through all the assignments, we see when these posts are due, what they should be connected or talked about there, and so please follow through with that. There should be 4 posts on the Connections, Patterns, Themes discussion board throughout the week. The first one being due Tuesday, and the last one being due by Saturday night. We'll go back to the lesson overview here so we can continue through. You will notice there is no summary paper due this week. However, there is a synthesis project that you will be working with your group. I want to say one more thing about groups. You'll notice that the Connections, Patterns, and Themes discussion board was changed up this week. So you'll have new people in your CPT discussion groups. Your synthesis group will not change. That will stay the same throughout the whole semester. So again, you can go into the instructions here for Synthesis Project 2. You'll notice that it's from last week and this week. Goes over some of the things that you should have been doing last week as you went through and continued to synthesize. You did not submit anything last week, but this week you will submit. Pay attention to the parameters there. Make sure that it's falling within those categories. Also, with the synthesis project, you need to turn in 1 project per group. So only the group leader needs to turn something in. And just one thing that I'm going to ask the group leader to do on these group projects, we know that occasionally, not very often at a college level course, but occasionally there may be some group members who are not participating as much as they need to. Group leaders, if you will let me know if there's anyone that does not appear to be participating so that we can make sure that grades reflect the work that is being done. First, reach out and encourage, but then if there is no follow-up or additional input from those individuals, please let me know and I will reach out to them and grade appropriately. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the work that you've done so far. You really are doing great. If you have any questions or concerns, email really is the best way to get in touch with me, or you can post a question on the discussion question board in the class. Thank you for your great insights and keep it up. Have a great week.